Hi, Block 2. This is Ms. Pesic. Sorry I'm not able to be with you today. I know that you have the 4.3 and 4.4 GGA in front of you right now. And before you get started and into your groups to work on this, I just wanted to maybe go over just a few things on this. You can use your notes from the two videos to help you. But I just thought since I'm not here, I could maybe get you jump started on a few of these problems. For example, for number 8 on the 4.3 side, when it says what's the log 10 and evaluate without, well, it says by using mental math, that means without a calculator. First of all, remember, if you don't see a little base written here, it's understood to be base 10. So this question is really saying 10 raised to what power gives you 10, right? And the answer, of course, is 1, because 10 to the first is 10. So your answer for problem number 8 is just 1. It's just 10 raised to what power gives me 10? 1 is the answer. All right. And then for number 13, for number 13 on the same side, it says use the given x values to graph the function. I know that you can do that. Please make a table of values, and they are asking you to plot x versus 2 to the x, and they're suggesting that you use -2, -1, 0, and so on. All right, so you're going to plot those. And then what I want you to do for the inverse function, remember the original function is y equals 2 to the x. That's an exponential equation. What's the inverse of an exponential equation? Do you know what the inverse of an exponential equation is? Starts with an L. All right, it's a logarithmic equation. So your answer for the inverse for number 13, f inverse of x, is going to be log what base? Well, it's going to be the same base that we see here. So log to the base 2, log to the base 2 of x. This is your inverse. So that's what you're going to be graphing along with the f of x equaling 2 to the x. All right, and then for the other side, section 4.4 side, let's take a look at a few of the problems over there. On the 4.4 side, for numbers 1 through 12, you're going to be doing all of these the same way. Let's just pick one of these. For example, let's do number 4 together. For number 4, it's log to the base 6 of 8 plus log to the base 6 of 27. And I want you to write down how you would write this with just one logarithm. It says express as a single logarithm. So using the product property, we could write the 8 times 27 together and then take log to the base 6 of that. So that would be log to the base 6 of, using your calculator, 8 times 27 is 216. And then we can say 6 raised to what power gives me 216. That's really what this is saying. The log to the base 6 of 216 is what number do I need to raise 6 to get 216? And the answer for that is 3, because 6 to the third is 216. So our answer here for this problem should be 3. All right, so the answer for problem number 4 is 3. Okay, and then the other ones that you may have some difficulty with that I want to get you jump started on would be, for example, number 15. For number 15, it says 7 raised to the log to the base 7 of 30, and that's equal to x. Even though we see log in this, this is not a logarithmic equation. It's written in exponential form. Here's the base, here's the exponent, and it's equal to this, right? So it is in exponential form. So I suggest to solve this, to find out what x is, we rewrite it in logarithmic form. So that's my hint to you. So what should the base be raised? I'm sorry, I'm going back to exponential form again. Let's try logarithmic form. So log to what base of what is equal to what? All right, this problem could have been straight off of your video guided notes, where I know you did something like hashtag to the swirly. That's not a very good swirly. Like hashtag raised to the swirly equals, star or whatever it was. And you had to rewrite that in log form as log to the base hashtag of star equals swirly, right? So you're going to do the same thing getting from here to here. And once you do that, I think you'll be able to solve this problem. All right, and I think that's all I wanted to go over with you. Problem number 22 about the earthquake is just like the one that we did in the notes. And I know you are able to use your notes for this, but don't forget that when you're done with the 4.3 and 4.4 group guided activity today, you're going to turn that in along with your video guided notes from 4.3 and the notes that you took from 4.4. So you're turning all of that in today so I can check it in. And hopefully you'll get a bonus point for having all of that done. Get a bonus point on the next quiz. All right. So with that in mind, you are going to be put into groups to do this GGA now, and I'll see you next time. And when the a little bit before the end of class, the substitute will have some more instructions for you. Have a good day.